Hi, Mama. In one of the videos you've posted, you showed everyone how to create a bar chart with two metrics, values and target. Can we try making a progress chart this time?
Absolutely. Creating progress charts is my specialty. What do you think of this chart? This is a tutorial in case you want to create a similar one yourself. We have a data table like this where the percent completed column is the values column divided by the target column. The percent remaining column is =1, percent completed. The key to this chart is the border. First, we will create a simple donut chart. I will remove the chart title and legend. We will select the percent remaining part, then increase the donut hole size to reduce the thickness of the donut. I will color the percent remaining part with light gray and set it to no line. For the percent completed part, I will choose gradient line for the border, and we will increase the width to 8 pt. As for the gradient stops, I will keep only 2 points. We will also choose gradient fill for the fill, and Excel will automatically update to the two colors we selected earlier. If you are unsure which colors to choose, you can refer to Google or my website, where I have compiled my top 10 favorite color pairs. All you need to do is copy the hex code you like and paste it into the hex field of colors. Next, I will remove the chart border. We will add values and chart title by inserting text boxes. On the formula bar, press the equal sign and point to the value you want to display. Then, I will choose no fill and no line for this text box. Format the font according to your preference. The final step is to group the elements together so we can move them to the desired position. What's your opinion, Shu?
I think it looks pretty awesome. I wonder if there are other ways to create charts.
Oh, there are definitely many creative ways to make progress charts like this one. If you're watching and want to see more chart styles in Excel, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. And don't forget to like and comment to motivate me to make more videos. Thanks for spending your precious time watching this video.